Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Dakota, and today I have a special guest with me, and it is Jaden.
Hello.
Jaden's just a little nervous, but this is the first video of the new year, so I hope you guys had a great New Year's. And we're gonna start off this new year with a video of Jaden doing my makeup. I'm a little scared because at first he picked out like a blue lipstick and I'm just like, oh my god. But I'm gonna show you guys everything that he chose and we're gonna get right to it. I'm gonna take my makeup off real quick. But before I forget, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I will be doing a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers, and we are so close to 500. I'm super excited. So, what's up?
Don't forget to turn the notifications on.
Yes.
And like.
Yes. Oh, look at support. All right, guys, we're gonna get right into it. All right, so I have no makeup on. Jaden's gonna put all my primer on and do the whole shebang. All right, so we're gonna start off with primer.
I think this is like my third video.
Yeah, it is your third video. Okay, so I got a brush for you. That way you can put the primer on. You want me to open it? So what are you smelling my brush for like it's caca or something?
Well, I just wanted to smell what its primer smells like.
Well, the primer's not on it yet.
Oh.
Okay, so you're just gonna dip the brush in just a little bit. How does it smell?
It smells like mint.
Like mint?
It smells like good.
Okay.
So what do I do?
You gotta put it like on all over my face. Okay, don't poke my eye out. Oh my god. And mind you guys, I'm not looking at any mirrors or anything like that because I want to see his, you know, finished look at the end. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, it doesn't go in my eye.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Are you good? Like, dang. Are you done? You done? Okay. All right, so next, what do you want to do? Do you want to do my eyes? Do you want to do my face first? Okay, so the foundation that I picked out for you is going to be that Beauty Creations one. And it's a pump. So, and then you would take this and you dab it into my skin. You're going to put it on there first? Okay, whatever. Okay, do your thing. Baby, that's a lot. Okay.
I'm sorry, I don't know how to do makeup.
All right, let me put my hair back.
I do not know how to do makeup, Mom. Yeah, I do not know how to do makeup.
It's okay. Okay, remember, you gotta go all over my face.
Sorry, forget your eyebrow.
Okay, that's fine, because you can do my eyebrows later. Oh, okay.
That's what I needed.
Mind you guys, he's like...
Yes!
Okay.
You almost got me in your eye.
So Jaden,
put it on your hairline.
I got some questions for you.
What?
How old are you? The people want to know.
I don't know. 10.
You're 10? I don't know your age. So when's your birthday?
November 12th, 2010.
Whoa, give me... Okay, that's my eyeball, baby.
I'm sorry.
Okay, what about the rest of my face?
I'm gonna go eat it.
Oh, you're using this for primer for my eyelids? Yeah? Okay. Okay,
You say it's a lot, but it's not covering your whole face.
well, because you put so much on that side, my goodness. If you want to get some more, you can. Are you going to make me beautiful?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
You already kind of look weird. I'm sorry.
Jay.
Okay.
Am I good? Do you have enough coverage?
I need some right there.
Okay. Okay. Can make sure, is it all blended?
Look like a monster.
You're supposed to make me beautiful. Don't say that.
No, when I put this stuff on, it looks like you have like oil all over your face.
Maybe you didn't blend it out all the way.
Where does it go?
Under my eye. Okay, other side. Okay, okay, okay. Under my eye. Next one, next one. You're scaring me. Okay, it doesn't need to be like right under. You're gonna blend it. My God. Jay, you're scaring me.
Yeah, like because
you're putting it like right on my waterline.
No, but when you move the way.
Oh, okay. And then it goes right here, down my nose. Gentle, gentle.
Close your eye.
Close my eye.
Like do this. I said close your eye. Okay, she looks beautiful.
Oh, I'm looking beautiful now. Oh, now bronzer. That's my cheekbones.
So I do those.
Here are my cheekbones. You can contour my nose, my forehead. Are you blending?
This is very fun.
You look so concentrated. Do you need any more? You done? Okay.
I got.
Okay.
And then I did I forgot to do.
Oh, here's the nose that you can do right here. You know, contouring your nose means to make it smaller. You're just gonna paint it brown?
Uh-oh.
It's okay. Let's do blush. So grab that Morphe palette right here. And then I guess pick whichever color you want to use. And this goes right here.
I'm glad for doing this. So what? Like all over your cheek?
Damn! Am I looking pretty?
You have like red pink all over your cheek.
Okay, so I'm blushed. Okay. You want to do highlight before you do eyes?
What's highlight?
It's, remember that glittery stuff that I put on my cheeks?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so it's that palette right there. Okay, I'll hold it for you. And that goes like right here, right here. It goes usually above my lip right here. Cute.
Put in some in the pink.
Oh, okay. Do your thing. So let's go ahead and start doing eyeshadow. And this is the palette that Jaden picked out. It is from Beauty Creations. It has all these beautiful colors right here. So he's gonna go crazy.
Is this for your eyes?
Mm-hmm. So I'll close my eyes, okay?
Well, I'm gonna make this look cool and beautiful. Yes. Put that
Guys,
back.
he's got a hella tight grip on my forehead. My goodness. Good?
Yeah, I got some yellow down there.
It's okay. So you can use this brush right here for under my eye. You know? You blending it out?
Yeah.
There's some glitters in there. You want to use some glitters? What was that?
It's a Fortnite dance.
Fortnite dance? So you like Fortnite?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you gonna tell everyone else you like Fortnite?
You know I'm shy to the camera,
I
Mom.
know you're shy. Oh, you do my under eye?
Oh, God. Does she look nice?
You're breaking my freaking head. Am I pretty?
You have like a red and then yellow, then a lot of blue down here.
Yeah, sounds pretty.
Well, you're not gonna like the way it looks, though.
Why?
You might, but at the same time, you might not.
Jaden, why are you going all the way down here?
I did the same thing on that side.
Jaden, okay.
I feel bad for you, Mom.
I'm scared. Jaden, I do not do my makeup like this, Jaden.
I'm a kid.
I do not.
Oh my God.
Are you done with the eyes?
Hold
You
on.
still have more?
I'll make you a little bit beautiful.
Jaden, when do you see me put my makeup all the way down there for my under eyes? I walk around like this? Would you go to the store with me like this? Here you go. That's for one brow, and then you can do the next brow. So give me an arch, okay? So, I don't have the names of the lashes, but he's gonna just grab one, whichever one that he likes.
I like the green ones.
You like those ones? Okay.
Do I like put that on your...
Yeah, you're gonna put it right here along my eyelashes. Ooh, it fills on there. I think you did a good job.
Let's go.
No? I like how he was like, let's go. Is it good? No? Such a perfectionist. Okay. Alright, so next, come back over here. You're not done yet. Okay.
And my hands are starting to hurt. Oh, lip.
Oh my god, I got like a hair on my nose or something. Are you using...
Give
so
me
these are
those.
the colors that Jane picked out. I did not have him pick nudes, even though I love nudes. You want that color?
Wait, what are nudes?
Nudes are the color. This is like a brown, like it's a nude color. You didn't want that color? Okay. You want blue?
Like, do I spray it everywhere?
Yeah, you just... Okay, not that close. Okay. I'm scared. Okay. Okay.
She's like...
Oh my god, I was so scared. Okay, are you done? Can I look at myself now? I'm beautiful, right?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Told you.
Okay. I thought you weren't gonna choose blue for the... I must say you put the lashes on pretty good. Yeah? Alright. Thank you. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Zoom in real quick. I'm looking like a chola. Look at my eyebrows. Look at this lash. It's hanging on for dear life here. Okay, thanks, Jay. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Again, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I am doing a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. I hope you love the look that Jaden did on me. He says I'm beautiful, so that's all that matters.
Don't forget to drop a subscribe and like and with notifications on.
Yeah, period.